How many of y'all were feeling the rain last week? Yes. Wasn't that so needed? So this is dedicated to water and the waters that fall from the sky. We got to give thanks for all the waters.
Spoken is dreamed, opening dreams of vision, provoking a stream of consciousness transition. This intuition to listen. We must make sacred decisions to listen. We must break hatreds, divisions to listen. To our elders, weave of wisdom. Listen to the lyric of our love and freedom song. Listen to the voices that will carry freedom on. A new day, a new dawn found on the horizon. I love the sound of people down with the horizon, harmonizing, vocalizing, organizing to keep surviving. We have arrived in time to redesign the instrumental. I say a prayer to stay aware of the potential. Freedom is essential. Within the listening, our discipline is influential. Because we can learn to live with alternative perspective. Connected by a light, diversity reflected, directed. Doing our past is accepted, collective. Because our life is respected. Yeah, we got faith in the rain, y'all. What? We got faith in the rain. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. Can it be our family will be united? Got into a place to overcome the ways we've been divided. As we were born, it was meant to be. As my name was sent to me. Intended to be a new identity, a lion, a spirit. Now I'm trying to hear it in my love. We where become too much, but I feel that you touch. It's a double-bladed sword. I can't afford to not be clear. I've got to steer my lessons from the light that got me here. Following the stars is the guide to the universe. You can't escape the worst. We're creating something better. Every letter in the sentence brings the meaning together. Every seed in the land understands the plan. We dig our hands in the earth, manifest the birth. To see what kind of harvest the future is yielding. As we start building a world for our children. As we start building a world for our children. Yeah. We got faith in the rain, y'all. Give it thanks. Faith in the rain. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. As we enter nighttime, let your inner light shine, 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 shine. As we enter nighttime, let your inner light shine, 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 shine. As we enter nighttime, let your inner light shine. To find the right side, walking in the lifelines of our ancestors. Our ancestors. As we enter nighttime, let your inner light shine. To find the right side, walking in the lifelines of our ancestors. Our ancestors. As we enter nighttime, let your inner light shine. To find the right side, walking in the lifeline of our ancestors. Our ancestors. Wash me in the water. Wash me in the water. Wash me in the water. Baby, wash me in the water. Baby, wash me in the water. Baby, wash me, wash me. Baby, wash me, wash me. Baby, wash me in the water. Baby, wash me, wash me. Baby, wash me, wash me, wash me, wash me, wash me in the water. If you wash me in the water, baby, wash me in the water. Wash me in the water. Baby, wash me in the water. Baby, wash me in the water. Wash me in the water. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. Water falling from the skies. Open up my eyes. Wash me, 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 wash me. Breaking it down, giving thanks in the town for the water falling down. What? Breaking it down, I'm feeling thirsty in the town. Water on the ground. What? Breaking it down, water falling down, feeling thirsty in the town. What? Breaking it down, we giving thanks for the water falling on the ground. Yeah, wash me up, wash me up, wash me up, wash me. Thank you for the water that's on the ground. Thank you for the water that is falling down. Thank you. Wash me in the water. 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 Wash me, 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 Thank you very much.